Hello everyone, and welcome to Counseling 10, College Success. My name is Sean Melton, and I will be walking alongside you this semester to ensure that you have all the tools and skills you are going to need to set yourself up for success, not just here at Yuba, but wherever this journey may take you. After watching this video, you will be aware of the student support services on campus that will make your journey a little more easier. I want you to be aware that you are not alone on this journey. In this video, we will take a brief virtual tour of the on-campus resources available at Yuba College. I realize that this course is an online course and some of the students may have a different home college. But rest assured that even though you are taking an online course and may be closer to one campus than the other, all student support services are accessible to you, no matter your location. So without further ado, let's go ahead and meet our first support service. Our first support service is the Disabled Students Programs and Services, or also known as DSPS. They provide academic accommodations to students with disabilities to help reduce the impact their disability may have on their learning experience. The second support service is the Extended Opportunity Programs and Services, or EOPS/CARE/Next Up program, which assist eligible students with additional funding and supplies such as books and gas cards. Next is the TRIO program. TRIO is a support service that assists individuals who are planning to transfer to four-year universities. They also help qualified students with books and additional funding. This support service program is for STEM majors. MESA provides additional funding, supplies, and tutoring for all eligible students. Lastly, we have the Library and Tutoring Center. The library allows students to check out laptops for as long as the entire semester, as well as provide private study rooms that are perfect for group study sessions. The College Success Center, or often referred to as the Tutoring Center, provides free tutoring services to all students that are currently enrolled in the semester. If you are interested in earning some money in between classes and you have received an A in a course, you may want to consider becoming a tutor. Well, that's all folks, we made it to the end of the video. I did provided the contact information for both Yuba College and Woodland Support Services on the course's homepage. I highly suggest contacting them all to see what you might be eligible for. These support services are a game changer. There is no cost and you are not obligated to use them every semester. They are there if you need them. Sort of like a safety net for a trapeze artist. If you make it to the other side flawlessly, that is amazing. However, if you fall, they are there to catch you. Anyway, I hope this information helps you on your journey, and I will leave you with some of the contact information for the programs that are often needed. See you next time. Goodbye.